Right, muri Zimbabwe. Chabvondoka vopindira vamwe muAfrica, mamwe organizations emuAfrica yese muri Zimbabwe. Right, tisatenda kure muri Zimbabwe, please make sure to subscribe or like a video yasvika kure. Right. So, tiri kuti chii vanavho muri Zimbabwe? Tiri kuti isusu tine information from journalist Hopo Uchingono about the network of African national human rights institutions, network of African national human rights institutions, NANHRI, has raised alarm over what it described as a threat to constitutional order and institutional independence in Zimbabwe following the reassignment of Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission chairperson Fungai Jesse Majome. So, mure Zimbabwe toda kumbotimboongorora, do you vangani venyu vakaona the press statement that was given by Jesse Majome rakazoita kuti adzingwe basa riri kunzi namwe aZANU-PF akapfurikidza protocol, this commission cannot say what iwe kana iri human rights commission they can say what they have observed and what they are concerned about the Zimbabwean human rights. And she didn't say it aggressively or provocatively, man. She was cool. She was just stating facts of what she saw, giving examples. But then, what Zingwa? This government ain't tolerating nothing that opposes it, which is completely 100,000% opposite of what democracy is. Are we still in a democracy, right? So, in a statement released on Monday, NANHRI said the executive decision to move Majome from the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission to the Public Service Commission sets a dangerous precedent and undermines the rule of law. The regional board noted that the development came days after the commission issued a report on public hearings of Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, in which it documented harassment, intimidation, and in some cases, physical attacks against individuals expressing dissenting views, as well as restrictions on access to hearing venues. So, it's actually when Hopo Uchingono report about what this guy says. So, it's the exact statement that was issued, non-HRI, and it. For immediate release, press statement concerns over the independence of the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission following the reassignment of its chairperson, Nairobi, 13 April, so it's 3 days ago, 13 April 2026, Nairobi, Kenya. The Network of African National Human Rights Institutions is a regional umbrella organization that brings together 46 national human rights institutions across Africa. Its mission is to support the establishment and strengthening of independent, Paris Principles compliant NHRIs, National Human Rights Commissions, and that effectively promote and protect human rights across the continent. The Network of African National Human Rights Institutions expresses grave concern regarding the recent executive decision to reassign Ms. Fungai Jesse Majome from the chairpersonship of the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission, ZHCR, to the Public Service Commission, PSC. This action sets a dangerous precedent that threatens the constitutional order, the rule of law, and democratic oversight in Zimbabwe. So, Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe is not alone in this world. It is in the region, first the SADC region, the African region, the whole continent. So Zimbabwe leads it trade and a lot for it to exist like this. It needs other countries. So my organizations akaita siwaya muri kunzwa human rights anenge ari established in Africa. Manzoti more than 46 countries dziri under dzakacomply kuti right, we're going to have this, and now that organization yakukondema Zimbabwe. Do you know how much weight that carries? Zimbabwe, that way carries a lot of weight. To who? To international investors. When they think of investing in Zimbabwe, these are the things they look at. These are the organizations they check. Hey, is Zimbabwe is it ready for investment? And they say no, there have been complaints about this, no transparent, no chichi. Changes to see necessary. muchikanganisa nyika muchirachi tuma changes tusiri necessary. So muri Zimbabwe gaitinde kumberi nestatement rava now. Hanzi, this development comes in the immediate aftermath of the ZHRC's analysis and 7 April 2026 press statement on its monitoring of public hearings on Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, CAB 3. In that statement, the Commission raised serious concerns regarding 1. Harassment, intimidation, and in some cases physical attacks against individuals expressing dissenting views. 2. Restricted access to public hearing venues and controlled participation. 3. Violations of fundamental rights, including freedom of expression, human dignity, equality, and personal security. So, Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission yaka-raise concerns muri Zimbabwe, yakaongorora zvakaonekwa nemunhu wese, zvakatendera pa-social media. Those are the exact things that it reported, that it showed concern over. But then, even ndiani kuadvise our president Mnangagwa anenge chingomutira kuti mudzinge mudzinge haangatompedzera hangambotopoza hangatomboshori hangatombodidi. Iwe, what kind of country is this? A country that, she wasn't even campaigning or saying change the president or saying anything. The Human Rights Commission yanga ichingotaura ma-exact things zvayaona zvisiri right. So all that was needed as a government was to look at it, make some arrests, follow this and show that you are participating. But now the whole African region community is watching us. And varikutotishora. Hanzi, these findings reflect the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission's constitutional mandate to independently monitor and report on human rights situations. Any adverse action against its leadership in close proximity to such reporting raises legitimate concerns about retaliation and the shrinking space for independent oversight. Mukuzvinzira muri Zimbabwe. Hanzi, preserving the independence of the ZHRC. The ZHRC, which is the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission, is a Chapter 12 institution, constitutional body whose effectiveness is grounded in its independence. Zvinoti, mukatanga kutamba ne-ZHRC, independence yose yayo yatobva. These guys are just about human rights. They are not about campaigning for which party or whatever. They're just about, kana mukatanga kutamba mchiri woti akango criticize watobvisiwa. Then ari kutevera wakutoziva kutoti ndikacriticize ndotobviswa, so haasi kuzocriticize. Therefore this thing is no longer, it's just a joke now. For any national human rights institution to function credibly, it must comply with the Paris Principles, which guarantee independence from executive interference. The reassignment of a sitting chairperson, particularly in the context of the Commission's recent public reporting and statement, undermines the independence, credibility, and effectiveness that are essential to the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission's mandate. Right, after the constitutional tenure and due process. The Constitution of Zimbabwe does not provide for the reassignment of commissioners of independent institutions, but rather removal. Under Section 237, commissioners enjoy security of tenure and may only be removed through a formal and transparent tribunal process on grounds such as misconduct or incapacity. Wait. Mrezi Zimbabwe ndo paya pakataugwa na Chamisa paanogara achiripita kuti hey guys, there is nothing muZimbabwe, hamuna mutemo, hamuna constitution, hamuna chirimo, hapana chiri kushanda. Ona apa bozi apa vari kutobudisa kutoti Mnangagwa process yekubvisa ZHCR is unconstitutional, haimo muconstitution. So kana makuzonzi imimi hey hatipinde mustreet tichizama kuprotecta constitution, ipi constitution yacho bozi haina kumbogara yashanda, ndozvitaurwa naChamisa. But torega here vachita madiro bozi vagara vatanga kuita madiro, torega here nai Nelson Chamisa ndomubvunzo mukuru. But hande kumberi hanzi, circumventing this process through executive action constitutes a de facto removal from office and erodes constitutional safeguards designed to protect institutional independence. The role of the Public Service Commission, PSC, kwaiswa mukadzi kwakaiswa ZHCR after abviswa kuma human rights. Hanzi, while reference has been made to Section 202 of the Constitution, which governs the Public Service Commission, it is important to underscore that the PSC forms part of the executive's administrative structure. Independent commissions, by contrast, are constitutionally established oversight bodies intended to operate outside executive control. Treating a constitutional commissioner as a transferable civil servant fundamentally misconstrues this distinction and creates a dangerous precedent that compromises institutional integrity. Vari kudemba kuti zvose zvaitwa pasi pamutemo makanganisa independence yema-human rights commissions. Ma-commissioners hazounzanonzi akabviswa kuoneswa kumwe haiwa kana muchitomudzinga mumudzinga bhodzi watokanganisa ende aritodzingwa basa achitopera. Right, chega tipedzise the issued statement and hanzi safety of commissioners and staff. NANHRI is further concerned by reports of an increasingly hostile environment for individuals expressing dissenting views, as highlighted in the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission's own findings. In this regard, NANHRI calls upon the government of Zimbabwe to 1. Ensure the physical and professional safety of all Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission commissioners and staff. 2. Refrain from all forms of intimidation, harassment, or reprisals against individuals participating in public consultations. 3. Respect the constitutional guarantees of tenure and independence afforded to members of Chapter 12 institutions. Protection against removal, Section 237. So, mutorine protection, mu constitution mutorine protection against kungobviswa kwe Zimbabwe Human Rights Commissioner. A member can only be removed from office on limited grounds, such as gross misconduct, physical or mental incapacity, or incompetence. Manje chef vatinavo muZimbabwe hanzi ini ndiri chef. Vateveri mutemo. Zvazonzwa ndi constitutionalist ka ndo anoima jokes. Because muri kunzwa maorganization achichema achidemba navo kuti matadza kutevera mutemo matadza zvikazodai please matadza. So ndo zviri kuitika muri Zimbabwe right now. Takupai ma-updates. Garai panapa munoziva kuti you can't miss anything important tinochisvitsa kwamuri. So izvi zvinhu zviri kutaurwa zvichiudzwa chef zvichiudzwa Mnangagwa, because Mnangagwa I think is the government. Is how he operates. If you check how he operates, is the government. His word is the law. Vanongochinja vachingoita zvavari kuita. But pasina izvozvo, more constitutionalism, more democracy, more transparency. Thank you for watching.